Okay, in this video we're gonna be talking about why you should not get casting mobile installations in your leather seats. Why you should not get casting leather mobile installations. And this is gonna be for the 2003 to 2007 Infiniti G35 Coupe. Welcome guys. And today we have the Infiniti, the G35 guys. Let me tell you guys, this car was not installed the kit from us. This was done as a mobile install for casting, and unfortunately guys, I have to tell you why you should not get mobile installations, because those are like mini shops, all improvised. And let me show you the results. This is a beautiful G35. It's missing some parts right there. It's in overall good shape guys. This is the 2005 version of this car, which is pretty good. Now guys, you know how much I pride and expertise I have when it comes to upholstery. I've been doing this for over 40 years, and for the longest time I never wanted to do leather kits, because sometimes they're not really up to the quality that they should go. We like to do custom. But because we cannot compete with the cost, guys, we decide to sell you the kits. That's why we create LeatherTech. But when we do these things ourselves, guys, we take pride still in our craft. Even when we receive the kits, there is things that we should not do, like leaving all those hairs right there for the thread. You can see more hairs down there for the thread. All the hairs has been left behind. They don't even take care about removing all that hair right there. You can see that the fit is very poor in the seats. It's all wrinklish. And the worst part, guys, I was trying to get into this seat, and look at this. It shakes. They don't even bolt down there. This seat. And this is the driver, guys. And they did a console for this one, and they couldn't do it right, so they put these horrible 3 clips on top that they are not even putting the correct distance. They're all over the place. They don't even in the right distance, guys, and seems like that one got a little burn right there. And again guys, I have the critical eye. It's already bubbling right there. You can see the amount of wrinkles. And that's your mobile installation, guys. And it's gonna get worse as I keep on doing my inspection. Moldings that are not clipped correctly. Interiors that are completely loose. Not enough foam. They should put more foam in there. That's the finish right there. That's that you can see right there. It's not even clean. Yeah, it's all loose, as you can see right there. All these wrinkles. And let's take a look at the other side, because I don't recommend you guys, besides it costs you more money to get the mobile unit to your house. You might think that it's convenience. It's actually the worst thing you can do. You're gonna go to a professional shop. They have all the tools, everything that is need to be used in order to make this professionally, guys. Not like that. That's horrible in my opinion. It's an insult to the trade. But remember, these guys has no pride in what they do. They work by the hour. They don't own the facility like us. They don't really take care of you guys. Look at that zipper. More threads all over the place. More threads. And yeah, and they couldn't do the panels because those are difficult to make. It doesn't come with the kit, guys. You see more thread right there. It's thread all over the place in this thing, guys. I don't know if you can see it down there. Because they don't care. That's the reality. I'm so sorry. I work for this company, but this is the reality. I'm disappointed about the craftsmanship. It's not there. Again, guys, these guys work for the hour. They don't really pay a mess. They don't care much as we do as shop owners. So it's here for the door panels, guys. That's what we're gonna be doing today. Door panels. Enough about lashing this installation. That is horrible, but this is the challenge, guys, because the client doesn't know better. The client went show up this morning. He said, Elicio, they do a phenomenal job in my car. And I say, wow. Okay. But everybody has different standards. So this is what is here for us, guys. We're gonna be replacing the panels, which is basically the peeling off of those panels, guys, removing all the foam. And we're gonna, they attempt to glue it. It's never gonna work. They just making worse for me to clean it up. It couldn't be clean. Now I have to remove all this adhesive to make it work. And again, this is gonna be taken to another level because it never came from factory. But yeah, when you remove it cleanly, you can see that it's gonna peel off better. This is more clean, as you can see. And we're gonna be doing the 4 guys. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And again, guys, it's not that everybody's gonna be doing this kind of installation. But I highly recommend you, if you have the opportunity to go to your local installer, which you can check the reviews directly from that small place instead of try to see the reviews of the whole company, because the kits vary, guys. It's not the same. Different installers, different people, different levels of craftsmanship. And again, these are paid by the hour people. They will not pay that much attention, but they don't have to. There's nothing in for them to do it. But in our case, guys, we are very proud of what we do. We want you to be successful in everything that you do. Even if you do it yourself, we still guide you to the process, guys. And for sure, we want you to take it to a professional installer, not just somebody that is learning how to do these things. And this is serious, guys. This is my biggest concern. Unbelievable. And this is serious, so I don't know how they handle these things, but I just show you guys. And enough of these things. So let's continue with our door panels, because that's what you want to see, guys. And that's what I'm gonna show you once I peel all this off, how we're gonna sand down a little bit the plastic and re-laminate this with the foam and the vinyl, so we can put it back in shape and make this look fabulous. Okay, guys, so if you want to do your leather interior, please reach to LeatherTech.com by upholsterytechnology.com. Guys, we have over 60 different colors. For sure, we are a distributor from the brand, so you can get those from us directly and, you know, save a buck or two. We have promotions on running, and we follow up the rules, so we don't want to make in violation or anything. So we try to serve you guys and give you the best possible prices when you do business with us here at LeatherTech.com by upholsterytechnology.com, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe if you find this content useful, guys. I forgot to say that. And let me know what you think about it. Will you do a mobile install after you see this, or would you prefer to come to a fully equipped custom shop that has every single tool and every single gadget to make your interior looks beautiful, guys? What do you think? Let me know. I want to know what is your opinion. Mobile install, did it cost you more money, or professional real installation in a fully equipped shop for $200 less? You decide, guys. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.